The ayes have it. The debate is open. The debate in Sereko.
Madam Speaker, we are challenging your decision and we are more than 50.
It's okay.
Right,
We are challenging your decision.
Just
It's
a second.
okay.
Madam.
It's okay. Honorable Sereko.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I just want to bring it to your attention. Over 40 of us have stood to challenge your decision, and it's provided for in the rules that the Speaker's decision is actually challengeable, and there is a modus operandi. It starts by at least 40 members standing up, and from what I see, we are over 40. I would like to suggest that...
Order, Madam Speaker. Order.
Right, Honorable Speaker. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm still concluding this matter. Right, Honorable Speaker, I would like to suggest that you give audience to these over 40 members that have stood.
Which 40 members?
Right, Honorable Speaker, you had wanted to know the 40
honorable
members. I can mention
Honorable members.
one by name.
Honorable members, listen. Honorable members, first tell your people to sit before I allow you to talk.
Right, Honorable Speaker, just to give you assurance, these members are not standing up because they are defying you. That's number one. We are standing up in pursuit of the rules, which provide for a modus operandi on how a decision or a ruling of the Speaker can be challenged. So it is not indiscipline for members to stand.
The members that will have the second reading tomorrow, first thing in the morning.
Actually, that's not the issue, right, Honorable Speaker.